Good afternoon to honorable chairperson, chief guest. In this expensive world, people who are educated. They want to run for money and a good job for a bright future. But 80% of the educated people are not satisfied with their job. There are so many people, those they are not educated, but they are famous and rich and living a happy life. If I ask you that any 5 question of the name, any 5 name of people who are famous and rich with the help of education, and another question that those people they are 5 name of those people they are rich and famous by without the help of education. The second question will be easier to answer than the first one. The money gives us we can buy almost everything with money. If we do not have education, we can live a happy life by the help of money only. Also, we can get a job without education, like social media, sports. They are also more famous than many educated peoples. We can say the name of the most rich peoples and famous people who are not educated, but they are living a well life. But we can't even say the name of those people who invented the simple household things which we use daily in our life. So I want to say that education could be important, but money is equally or more important than education. So saying this much word, I want to depart from here. Thank you.
Judges, organizer, and my dearest and nearest friends. Today I am Dina Lamsa from class 8A is representing a short debate on the topic of the education is greater than the wealth. In the affirmative part, without delay, I want to enter in my topic. Education is the act of teaching and learning activities. It helps us to easily understand and act balance in the environment. Determine us to what is wrong and what is right. But money is the greediness of the people. Money brings greediness in the people's heart. We can see in the environment, money is breaking the bond of the people and their relationships. As an example, we can say that if we can see every family, there are people is living apart from their father, mother, brothers, sisters, and many more. And only reason of that is money. That's why the money is bringing apart from the people, from their family members. We can see many people are famous in their worlds, like Albert Einstein, Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, etc. They are famous of their wealth. They are famous of their education and their skills, not of their wealth. And the participant who is talking about that there are many people on the person, they are famous of their wealth. I think he doesn't know the name of the ones like Mahatma Gandhi, like Nelson Mandela. And our livelihood is very useless without education. Our livelihood is very bad without education, and I cannot say that money isn't important. Yes, money is needed, but money isn't everything. I want to say that if I ask you a question, can we income money without any education? If a carpenter doesn't know how to carpet the woods, if he doesn't have the knowledge of that in education, can he carpet the woods? In conclusion, I want to say that education is the theme of goals. We can go goals without education. By saying this, viewers, I want to depart from here. Thank you.
All Prashant Prajuli is the third contestant, and for the ready position, Binita Pandey.
We cannot survive without money, but we can live without education. Respected chairperson, chief guest, and my nearest and dearest friend. Today, it's me, Prashant Prajuli, is here on the topic of is here to debate on the topic of wealth is greater than education. People all over the world are running for the wealth, not for education. I want to say my previous friend that education is not important for the success of life. Many people of Nepal are searching for a rich people to marry their children. So I want to question, education is important or wealth? Famous people like Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, KP Oli, Sarvada Deva, etc. are failure in their life, but they are very success in their own life. So that's why education is not important for the success of anybody's life. If you wanna happiness on your life, education doesn't give your satisfactory life. Education just waste their time. If you have any idea on anything, just believe in yourself and focus on your aim. If you want to buy anything, you need wealth, not education. My previous friend just told education is everything but money is nothing. I want to question her that if you wanna go to buy a Lamborghini or any car, do you show your education certificate or wealth? If you wanna go to buy something, you show your certificate card or education certificate or wealth. At last I want to say, if you wanna be success in your life, education is not important. Wealth is everything. If you want education, just you want to wealth to study. Thank you.
I would like to call Binita Pandey, and for the ready position, I would like to request Poojan Bhusal.
Education breeds confidence, confidence breeds hope, and hope breeds peace. Good afternoon, Honorable Chief Guest, Chairperson, Judge, member of the debate team, and all my friends. I am the caption of the affirmative side. Today our motion is education is greater than the wealth. First, to discipline that is concerned with the method of teaching and learning in school like environment is opposes to various formal and informal means of socialization. Education is very important and very useful for everybody life. It makes the smartest creature on the earth. It makes the more smartest creature on the earth. It empowers humans and gets them ready to face any challenges of their life efficiently. It is the most significant tool in eliminating poverty and unemployment. If a person wanted to start a business or a job, we need first knowledge to plan how to run the business or job. So I give first priority to education. Education is greater than the wealth. It is because whatever job or forest we start definitely we will get output or a product as a money. But what is the wage of money? I mean to say that if a person doesn't have the knowledge of that business or that field, how can he earn money from this field? Money is end, but the knowledge is the beginning. There can be more thing which is more important than the money, that is education. I have many examples. One of them is many scientists have done the experiment, researches and discoveries on the basis of their knowledge, not on the basis of money. So the education is very most essential for everybody. Money is small pieces of paper which you can earn, you can buy, and you can go everywhere. But from the education you can rule the whole world. In the conclusion, I want to say that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. You must choose education to make your future bright. By saying these words, I want to depart from here. Thank you.
Judges, chief guest, and my dearest and dearest friend. Today I am Poojan Bhusal standing in front of you to start a debate with topic of wealth or education. In modern society is based on money. As the saying goes, money makes the world go around. Parents object their daughter's marriage. Unless their future son-in-law have jobs with prospects. Many younger people marry for money rather than for love. Security is much more important than happiness. Students choose business courses rather than others to earn big money in future. Very few people want to be a teacher because teaching is a lucrative profession where teacher deals with less profit and Many
in knowledge pays the best interest. Good afternoon, honorable chief guest, chairperson, timekeeper, judge, teacher, organizer, and my lovely friend. Today I am here to deliver the debate on the topic of education is better than the wealth. Education is any day more important than money. Money is just some pieces of paper if we own or we win anyone or anything through it. But education is knowledge. We can rule over the whole world. Knowledge is a wealth more important than money. Money can buy an object, but not the thought process, knowledge that went into creating that object. Hence, knowledge is a superior. It is better to be looked up to as a knowledgeable person rather than a rich person. With knowledge, one can acquire money, but money alone will not help in acquiring knowledge. Both on personal and national levels, education has been shown to increase economic growth and stability. One of the most important benefits of education is how to improve personal lives and help societies run smoothly. We live longer, fuller, and happier lives as learned and knowledgeable individuals. Knowledge is more powerful than money in many different ways. Knowledge can create money. Least money cannot create knowledge. Giving knowledge implies growth. Knowledge least giving money. In conclusion, I want to say that education is the permanent property of a person. Nobody can steal it, but money can steal everything. I want to say that education can earn everything, but money cannot earn knowledge and love. Thank you.
Thank you.